अजीब दास्तां है ये, कहाँ शुरू कहाँ खत्म।
वाह।
I will tell all of you all when I'm getting married. There are no plans as of right now.
विराट कोहली कैन हैव ट्रोलर्स, तो मैं किस खेत की मूली हूँ?
What happened with Amir Khan? He was attacked professionally,
Yeah.
and same was happening with Shah Rukh Khan.
Because we are soft targets, because we give you publicity.
Getting a certain amount of negativity for not all my fault, I would say films doing well or not doing well is not your individual prerogative. मतलब आप अकेले नहीं होते ना पिक्चर बनाने में।
वरुण धवन को एडवाइस की जरूरत पड़ती है ऑन अ डेली बेसिस, क्योंकि वो बच्चे
श्रद्धा पूरे दिन वन मोर कर सकती है। उसको बहुत शौक है, सर एक और ट्राई करते हैं, वन मोर, यू नो।
Ranveer Singh, if you have to give a quirky gift to him.
कोकी नहीं, उनको हथकड़ी दे दो ताकि एक दिन तो चुपचाप बैठ जाए घर पे, उनको बांध के रख दो।
Getting married to Malaika, also what do you like the most in her? What makes her different from other girls?
I will tell all of you all when I'm getting married. There are no plans as of right now. अभी शादी होगी भी तो कैसे होगी अगर करनी भी होगी. Not planned it, not thought about it, but like I always say, I will not hide it. I would have to say it's difficult to sum up when you love somebody to say that one particular thing you like, because that the whole point is when you love somebody, you love the entirety of the personality that person has. But with her, I feel she really gets me, and she's very patient with me. I'm not the easiest and the simplest person to be with. I am a certain way, and I think her patience with me really matters. And she has that maturity that sometimes I need. She is older than me, and that accounts for being able to have a sense of calm and maturity that you need when you're around somebody like me, who can tend to be a little impatient or a little emotional from time to time.
This is Hanita from Burma. What would be a good theme song for your life?
अजीब दास्तां है ये, कहाँ शुरू कहाँ खत्म।
Wow. This is Divisha from Mumbai. How do you handle the trolls and the negativity so patiently and calmly? It gets on our nerves when we see people trolling you. Why don't you just give it back to them?
Because then
You
they
do
would
once in a
win.
while. You do once in a while.
Yeah, but they would win if I every morning wake up and give them
Absolutely.
importance.
Absolutely. That's the idea. Just to ignore them.
I know even a person who's as calm as you also has trollers, for
Yeah.
example. It's normal.
Best is ignore
Best is to ignore them. Don't let them win. I think I give it back when they hit below the belt, when they go after my sisters or my family, or say something unruly towards women, or they behave like MCPs, which I find very rude, when they're condescending. That's the only time I step out of my comfort zone. Otherwise, there's so much positivity in the world. यार मुझे इतना प्यार मिला है. Why give importance to that small percentage that is there sitting every day?
Exactly.
यार मेरे हिसाब से ना, if Virat Kohli can have trollers, who's by far the greatest batsman of our generation, the youth looks up to him, and if the poor guy plays average to poor in one game, he is castrated and criticized. If that man has to deal with trolls and criticism, तो मैं किस खेत की मूली हूँ यार? Imagine that man has to prove himself all the time to please these guys. Do you see what that man is capable of? He's outstanding. People like Dhoni and Virat Kohli, if they have trolls, so what are we getting so upset about? There, learn to ignore them. That is the beauty of being a true superstar, is when you can answer back. वो अपने बल्ले से करते हैं, हम अपनी फिल्मों से करते हैं, अपने काम से, the way we conduct ourselves.
So you said that actors, they have to be, it is their responsibility to maybe do things once in a while which make a difference. Many things are expected from actors maybe on screen, but the fact is that if they speak in the public sphere about any issues, many a times they are attacked. And many a times this is heard that can we have like a Meryl Streep moment in India? So the answer to that is that see what happened with Amir Khan. He was attacked professionally. He had to just give up the Snapdeal advertisement, and same was happening with Shah Rukh Khan with his movie. So and that is something that makes the actors care. How important is it that this entire narrative should change in a way that
it must?
See, should not professionally it should not they should not, and there should be laws that protects them.
I hope, yeah. I mean, honestly, Faridun, it would make our life so much more simpler. We would be able to talk about everything under the sun without thinking of our family and the repercussions they would have to face.
Exactly.
Today, it is not about us. हम तो फिर भी संभाल लेंगे अपने आप को. What happens is you get troubled through various different ways. And today through social media, there's emotional trauma and torture that our families have to go through, who are also part of the social spectrum.
Absolutely.
And it is unfair. You asked for an opinion because you feel we'll have an opinion. We share it and we get castrated. Nobody castrates the people that are doing wrong.
Correct.
You want to castrate the person that has an opinion of the person doing wrong.
Correct.
because we are soft targets, because we give you publicity.
Correct.
Because we create a certain amount of noise. If you attack us, ढिंडोरा पीट सकते हो उसके बारे में. पर हम कुछ अच्छा बोलेंगे तो आप उसे दबाने की कोशिश कर दोगे. So yes, it needs to be controlled, it needs to be curtailed, but that has to come from the top. Yeah.
Right.
I mean, it should. If freedom of speech is part of our constitution, and if we are a democratic country, then nobody should be scared to give an opinion. But what is the reality is that we have to watch our words, because things can be taken and used to their advantage and our disadvantage.
Correct.
Which is unfair.
If you're made PM of India for a day, what 3 things would you do?
I would have free education till at least 10th standard for our country. I don't know why, but I feel that would be important. I would give whatever possible to create hospitals and give free services as much as possible for health, life insurance, educate people, start mandates where it is important for anybody that is earning a certain amount of money to get free services provided in hospitals. And the third, if you want to help our country, you need to go down to the grassroots level. So I would take away from all the farmers' hardships, because they've been the most respectful the way they've conducted themselves.
आपने एक किसी इंटरव्यू में कहा है कि that I would do anything to be fearless again. I've been muddled in past 8-9 years in the chaos of being a star. Please elaborate.
It comes in context of how do you feel after 9 years in this profession? So I've seen a lot of highs, I've seen a lot of lows, I've seen a lot of people say a lot of things. My feelings get dubbed because I'm hearing people and doing things and then realizing, okay, why was I listening to people? I should go back to being impulsive the way I was, following through, films not working out, getting a certain amount of negativity for not all my fault. I would say films doing well or not doing well is not your individual prerogative. मतलब आप अकेले नहीं होते ना पिक्चर बनाने में. और मेरे पे थोड़ा पर्सनल हो गया था, तो you go through feeling of, you get a little confused there, Faridun, that what am I doing?
If you have to give a quirky gift to following people, what would it be? If you have to give a quirky gift to Salman Khan.
Like cycling, so much give him a quirky cycle, like a,
Yeah, he loves to do that. Yeah.
you know, he would be able to even do a good job with those unicycles. You know, those in Europe you get to see those big one-tired
You
cycles.
need to have like those tracks as well for cycling.
So I think that would be a nice quirky gift for him.
Okay, Ranveer Singh, if you have to give a quirky gift to him.
quirky नहीं, उनको हथकड़ी दे दो ताकि एक दिन तो चुपचाप बैठ जाए घर पे, उनको बांध के रख दो.
You have to gift something quirky to Kareena Kapoor Khan.
यार करीना कपूर को मैं क्या गिफ्ट दूंगा यार? She is the most gifted person any which ways. If I have to give something quirky to Kareena, यार करीना को मैं हक्का बक्का रह जाता हूँ करीना के सामने, मैं उसे कुछ दे ही नहीं पाऊंगा. मैं सिर्फ
हर कोई रह जाता है वो तो.
हाँ, आपने देखा ही था इंटरव्यू में भी मैं कैसा था. वो ऐसे नाखून काट रही थी, मैं फिर भी उनका दीवाना था उधर इंटरव्यू में. तो उनको मैं नेल कटर दे दूंगा. इतना वो जब स्ट्रेस्ड होती है तो नाखून चबाती है ना, तो उनको नेल कटर दे दूंगा.
But she's that person who has women also fall for her and men, of course.
Definitely. I have something on the lighter vein that your friend Varun Dhawan has recently said about you. I don't know if you're aware of it or not.
No filter नेहा पे कुछ बोला.
Yeah. So
क्या
he
बोला?
has said that.
कला है ना?
Yeah, he has said that piece of advice
दिखता है
that
स्वामी टाइप का, लेकिन है बड़ा. बोल एक्चुअली डिजिटल पे तो बोलते है बड़ा हरामी टाइप का.
you can absolutely no issues with that. So now he
क्या
has
बोला? गुरुजी ने क्या बोला? गुरुजी बोला था उनको.
basically he has said that one advice that you can give to Arjun Kapoor. So he has said that stop behaving like you've been in the industry for 100 years. हाँ कैसे हो? He talks like Lala from that scene of Mother India. ना आओ बिरजू आओ.
हाँ, दिस इज फ्रॉम जुहू का सबसे बड़ा स्टार ना.
Right.
वरुण धवन जुहू का सुपरस्टार है.
Okay.
He is running the film industry, but only the area of Juhu. He is not beyond that. तो वरुण मुझे एडवाइस इसलिए दे रहा है क्योंकि मैं उसे बोलते रहता हूँ कि बेटा, you have to sometimes just have fun. He gets very caught up in this whole thing. यार हमें अच्छी पिक्चर बनानी. I said यार देखो, you have to first have fun. So he always feels I'm giving him advice. He's always giving me advice. ये अच्छा लगा. अरे उधर जो तूने शो. I said, are you tracking me?
He does.
तू अपनी पिक्चर की शूटिंग में मुझे क्यों ट्रैक कर रहा है?
He
He's
comes
like,
up.
no, I wanted to just make sure that you smile, yeah, you should have fun, yeah. It's a fun film. So I said, यार मैं तो fun कर रहा हूँ, पर तू मुझे क्यों ट्रैक कर रहा है? So he's a studio head sitting in Juhu. He's tracking my movements every day. But no, if he's giving me that advice, I think it comes from that I'm very protective about him also. See, Rohit is my friend.
Correct.
Varun is my brother from another mother. I've always said that. तो वो कुछ भी कर ले जिंदगी में, वो मेरा छोटा भाई रहेगा.
Right.
So I think from that point of view, I'm a little protective about him. So I like, वो कुछ भी बोलेगा भी तो like उसने एक दिन गलत एक ट्वीट कर दिया था, उसको रियलाइज नहीं हुआ अनुष्का ने क्या लिखा था. मैंने उसको झट से फोन करके बोला, बेटा तूने गलत पढ़ा है. He said, अरे यार मैं अभी I said अभी जल्दी से बदल और ट्वीट कर. That was when he was announcing सुई धागा.
Correct, right.
तो हमारी रिलेशनशिप ऐसी है कि मैं उसे एडवाइस देनी पड़ती है. वरुण को देनी पड़ती है एडवाइस, और आप उनके भाई से पूछना, उनके पापा से पूछना, उनके आसपास वालों से पूछना. वरुण धवन को एडवाइस की जरूरत पड़ती है ऑन अ डेली बेसिस, क्योंकि वो बच्चे.
Which Bollywood actress would you like to see in a double role apart from Ileana and Athia?
In a double role, interesting.
I think Kareena would be outstanding.
Yeah.
She would be superb. Imagine a character like the one in Jab We Met and somebody who's a little more coy and a little more different. So if Sita Geeta remake was being
I was
made, I think
actually thinking Sita
Kareena
Geeta.
would be outstanding.
And what would you do if you wake up as Anil Kapoor?
What would you do? Even I want to
Well,
know.
what would I do? I don't know what I would. I wouldn't know what to do if I woke up as Anil Kapoor. I would just start doing Dhina Dhin Dhan, start celebrating that I've become Anil Kapoor.
Right.
Or actually, I would make Harsh and Sonam sign a proper family ensemble immediately and start shooting for them. कि पूरी एक अभी यही कसर बची ना, अनिल चाचू मैंने काम कर लिया, तो अभी बस सोनम हर्ष और अनिल चाचू की पिक्चर बची है.
That should be very interesting.
I would make sure that we sign that one and start shooting ASAP.
मैं आपको श्रद्धा की एक चीज बताता हूँ जो शायद किसी को पता नहीं होगी. श्रद्धा पूरे दिन वन मोर कर सकती है. उसको बहुत शौक है, सर एक और ट्राई करते हैं, वन मोर. यू नो शी इज एक्चुअली, वरुण ने उनका नाम रखा है बेबी आमिर. Because she's always thinking how to do it better and better and better. She's never happy. She's very competitive.
That's the story. Okay, please continue.
So she actually, and Varun had told me, she said, देखना, she loves doing one more take because she feels she can get it better and better and better. तो वो पूरे दिन एक ही shot दे सकती चाहिए तो. And she's constantly thinking, you sure? Mohit, let's do one more. And Shraddha Kapoor can be in any situation. If she sees Mohit Suri in front of her, she'll get the scene right.
Achha.
If she just sees him, that connect with him is कि सीन के बीच में कई बार होता है ना, ब्रेक लेके जाते हो वापस आते हो, and sometimes you need a moment to catch yourself. If she looks at Mohit, if she doesn't find Mohit, na, she feels lost. And the moment she sees Mohit, everything comes back to her and she's able to perform. So that's a very interesting thing to have, that to see the relationship between an actor and director who worked on 3 films, and to see an actress who's constantly persevering to do better, and she's उसका बस चले वो पूरे दिन one more.
Arjun Kapoor, what would you like to steal from the following people? R. Balki.
Calmness,
Kareena Kapoor.
patience,
Okay. Ranveer Singh.
the warmth that he has, the love that he's very shows his love ना, हम लोगों को दिखाना कई बार नहीं.
That's true. Shah Rukh Khan.
एनर्जी है, जस्ट जबरा फैन हम लोग थक जाए देखते हैं, तो एनर्जी.
Alia Bhatt.
शी इज अनअवेयर ना, उसको वो एक you need that, like you have blinkers on, you're unaware of things. She's just discovering herself, that innocence.
How's that experience? That two men just totally just in love with you and just dealing with the entire
What's
stuff.
new, Faridun?
That's what's new. Okay. Happens all the time. Right.
कॉलेज में जब चक्के जाते थे पूरा माहौल
Right.
हाँ वो माहौल चेंज नहीं हुआ है अभी तक, but
दस तू कुड़ी तू पटोला.
next line.
Right.
No, it was very cool because I think इस फिल्म की खास बात सबसे ये है कि these two got along really well, you know. तो
Right.
उसमें बहुत मजा आता था
That we
इन
can
दोनों
make
के
out actually.
साथ,
That
इन दोनों के, you know, इनके साथ खेलना, वो
हम
उस
खिलौने
इस गेम में बहुत मजा आया.
इस खेल में मजा आएगा.